Hey everybody, Mr. Hansen here. Um, I wanted to do a quick little tutorial video for everybody. I've noticed a growing trend just today that I'm getting a lot of assignments turned into me, but it's not allowing me to see them. And part of that is coming from your guys' end. If you submit something to me using Google Docs or something from Google Drive, if you don't set it to where I can access it, it's going to deny it to me and I can't grade it. So if some of you have noticed that I've kicked back assignments to you and given you a 0 on it and given you the option to redo it, the reason for that, and I've given you a note as well, is that I cannot see it. Okay, so you want to make sure that you change the settings so that I am able to. Now, with the school's increased security on these sort of things, it is difficult to, with like our Buzz program that you guys are working on, they don't completely correlate yet. So what you can do is if you hit share on this, make sure you put in my name. So it's Andrew Hansen with an EN. All right, and my picture should come up. Okay, it's a little picture of me in this corner where I'm playing a bass. Okay, when you do that, it will send to my email, and that's not ideal, but it's better than not getting it. But it should also make it so I can access it in Buzz as well. Okay, so there's that. Another thing that I've had a few student questions on and some frustration, not from me, but from students, is the annotation assignments. Several of you have attempted to do those and struggled a little bit. So let me just walk you through how to at least do this on Google Docs. And some of the things I'll tell you is similar to Microsoft Word. And if you choose to do it on another program, an annotation assignment, I don't know how to do that necessarily, but hopefully there's a tutorial you can use. Anyways, on Google Docs, first thing, copy in whatever document it is that you need to annotate. So that would be where you highlight or comment on things that you're seeing in the writing. So for instance, here's something that I wrote today for my creative writing class. What you want to do is you go to the editing section, and I'm sure there's something similar on Word to this. Editing means if I click on this, I can go through and I can type things in and it will not track that. Okay, it'll just be as if it's just brand new. If you change it and go to suggesting, this is where you can add in comments, okay, and it will show up as underlined green and it's going to make these little markers on the side. The other important thing that you can do with this is you can highlight something. So let's say I like this particular passage. If you hit Control Alt M in sequence, you'll have this little comment box pop up just right there. Okay, and you can say something, I liked this passage because, all right, and then you want to give something more thoughtful than what I just did. Okay, but when you hit comment, as soon as you go through all your annotation, you can then submit it on the class page or submit it on Buzz, and then you can hit share and I should be able to access it and see all your comments just like this. Okay, so again, how you do the comment is you hit Control, there's a key on the left hand side, and then you want to hit Alt in sequence, and then you want to hit the M key, and that's how you make comments. Okay, so hopefully guys that helps you, and hopefully I don't have to kick back as many assignments. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you for your patience. I know that this isn't easy. I know some of you are struggling to get everything to work, but please, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll try to respond as quickly as I can, and I appreciate the work that you guys are doing. We're getting through this together. Thanks guys.